Hello students, now we shall start with the first chapter of the first year PUC, that is set theory. Okay, there are 16 chapters here. Remember, there are 16 chapters in first year PUC. Among them, the first chapter is set theory. Now, what is the definition of a set? Look at it. A set is a collection of well-defined objects. That means a set is not just a collection of objects. The definition of set is not just a collection of objects, but it is the collection of well-defined objects. The word well-defined is a very important one. Remember, what is well-defined? Here, look at here. Well-defined means given a collection of objects. Then one must be able to say whether the object belongs to the collection or not. That means the meaning of it is not just a collection of objects. It is a collection of well defined. That means if you are given a collection of objects, then one must be able to say that the object is in the collection or not. If you are not able to say that the object is in the collection or not, then it is not a set. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದು ಸೆಟ್. ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರಕ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಸೆಟ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡಿ. ದ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಟಿ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ರೂಲ್ ಟು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ whether a girl is a pretty or not. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಟಿ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್, ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿರೋ ಹುಡುಗಿಯರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ರೂಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ರೂಲ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್. ವೆದರ್ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಿಟಿ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ಹೌ ಟು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ವೆದರ್ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಿಟಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್? ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಸೆಟ್. Now, the objects of the set are called the elements of the set. ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Now let us take some of the examples, right? Look at here. The first one is the collection of odd numbers less than 8. Look at here. The elements of the set are 1, 3, 5, 7. These are all the odd numbers which are less than 8. Now look at here. If you are given 9, can we say whether 9 belongs to this set? No, because it has 1, 3, 5, 7. 3, it clearly belongs to the set. That means this is a collection of objects, say our collection of numbers in this case. If you are given any number, we can easily say it belongs to this set or not. Okay, the collection of vowels in English alphabets, that is the elements of the sets are A, E, I, O, U. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ U ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ whether this U belongs to the set, yes, we can easily say it belongs to set. Whether X belongs to the set, no, X does not belongs to this set. Now come to this. The collection of students of first year A section of your college. It is clearly a set. If you are given a student, you can easily identify whether he or she belongs to the first year A section or not. So it is a set. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದು ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ that is a number or a person. We must be able to say that belongs to the set or not. Okay, the collection of rivers of India. Look at here. Collection of rivers of India. Is it a set? We can easily write the elements. Look at here. Tunga, Bhadra, Kaveri, Kapila, Ganga, so on. Gange, so on. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತವೆ? These are all the rivers of India. We can easily say whether Kaveri belongs to the set. Yes. Whether Karnataka belongs to the set. No, because it is not a river. So if you are given an object, you can easily, if you are able to easily identify whether that belongs to the collection or not. The collection of all stars in space. It is a set because the elements of the set are sun and there are 100,000 million stars. Okay. Next, the collection of students of your class whose height is more than 5 feet. Is it a set? Somebody says it is not a set. It is a set. This is because suppose if there are 60 students in your class. Suppose 25 students height is more than 5 feet. That means therefore suppose a person X, a student X is there in your class. If its height is 4.11 feet, then he belongs to the set? No. Another student is there whose height is 5.2. He clearly belongs to the set. That means if you are choose a student, then you can easily say whether that student belongs to the collection or not. Okay. Here the collection is all the students whose height is more than 5 feet. The collection of capital cities of India. So the elements of the sets are Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Tirunanthapuram, so Mumbai. These are all the capital cities of the states of India. The collection of odd numbers. The elements are 1, 3, odd natural numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. So these are all the odd numbers. Clearly we can say suppose say minus 6 whether belongs to the set? No. Minus 5? No. So because natural number is given, isn't it? Therefore, the collection of all odd and natural numbers is a set. Now look at here. The solution of the equation x square minus 1 equals 0. Now look at here. What are the values of x which satisfies this equation? Minus 1 transfer to the right. It becomes 1. X square is 1 means x is plus or minus 1. Therefore elements of the sets are minus 1 and 1. If you are given 9, whether 9 belongs to this set? No. Minus 1 clearly belongs to the set. That means it has the elements only minus 1 and 1. Ignition. Now look at some of the examples which are not sets. The collection of rich persons is not a set. Why it is not a set? So there is no rule for deciding whether a particular person is rich or not. Alva? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? The collection of rich persons ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತರ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. But it becomes a set when if you specify that the persons who are having the money more than 10 crore are rich persons. ಹೀಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ it is a set because if you take a person X who is having say 10 crore, then he belongs to the set. If you are a person having another person having say 2 crore, then he does not belongs to the set. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ರಿಚ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ಯಾವುದೇ ತರದ ರೂಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಬ್ಬ ರಿಚ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ರೂಲ್ ಟು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ರಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. The collection of all students. It is not a set because here also there is no rule to decide a student is a tall or not. Suppose a student whose height is more than 4 feet, say, or more than 6 feet are tall students, then it is a set. Again the collection of pretty girls, the collection of intelligent students. Here also there is no rule to decide a student is intelligent or not. Suppose if you are given the collection of students whose score is more than 600 or intelligent students, then it is a set. ಬರೀ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದಲ್ವಾ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ರೂಲ್ ಟು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ವೆದರ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. Okay, next. The objects of the set are also called elements of the set. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Sets are usually denoted by capital letters A, B, C, D and their elements by small letter A, B, C, so on. If A is an element of the set capital A, then it is denoted by A belongs to A. If A is an element of the set A, always remember ಸೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬಾರ್ದು, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಎ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎ. If A is not an element of the set A, then we write A does not belongs to A. Now we all know this one, isn't it? The number system ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಏನಿದು natural numbers. The counting numbers are called natural numbers. So it is denoted by capital N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. 0 ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, okay? So it is an infinite set. Integers. It is denoted by I or Z. It is 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, so on. That means I or Z includes all the positive natural number, negative natural number and 0. Okay. Next, rational numbers. The numbers which can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0, are rational numbers. Okay, 2 by 3, minus 7 by 8, 6, minus 3, 0. All these numbers are rational numbers and they include integer. Rational number alli irutte. Q is nothing but it includes all the integers plus, let's say, union fractions. Fractions ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 2 by 3, minus 7 by 8, 5 by 6. Irrational number. Numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q are called irrational numbers. So this is root 2 minus root 2, root 3 minus root 3, root 5 minus root 5 and so on. This is because root 2 cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್, ಬರೀಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ರೂಟ್ 2 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ರೂಟ್ 2 by 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ರೂಟ್ 2 it is the same 1.4143 so on. So the digits in the decimal places are not recurring, repeat ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡಿ 4 ಇದೆ, 1 ಇದೆ, 4 ಇದೆ, 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 7 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ದ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಷನಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಆರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ರಾಷನಲ್ and irrationals. Now, representation of sets. There are two methods of representing a set. They are, the first one is the roster method or tabular method. The second one is rule method or set builder method. That means the first one is the roster method. ಏನು roster method ಅಂದ್ರೆ, in this method we list the elements of the set and put them within flower brackets and elements are separated by commas. It's a very simple one. ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, we list the elements, ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೆಲ್ಲ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು we put them within the flower bracket and they are separated by these commas. ಅಂದ್ರೆ suppose if you say a equals, if you write 1, 3, 5, 7, so this is wrong. This is not a set. The elements should be separated by commas, right? Okay. And also you should put it in the flower bracket. Aita? So it's an important example. Capital A equals flower bracket 1, 3, 5, 7. The comma should be there. ಇಲ್ಲಿ A, E, I ನೋಡಿ, this is a capital letter. Sets are always ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ capital A ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, small a equals ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ, this is wrong. Sets are always denoted by capital letters. Okay. So this is like this. D is a set consisting of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra and so on. The repetition of the elements will not alter the set. What is the meaning here? Suppose if you write A equals 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3. So here in this case the elements are repeated, alva? 2 repeated 2 times, 3 repeated 3 times. This is just nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲೇನೋ 2 times ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. 2 ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ಇರೋದಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೆಟ್ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next is the set builder form. Now look at here. In this method, all the elements of a set possesses a single common property, which is not possessed by any element outside the set and denoted by this. ಇದು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ set builder method ಅಲ್ಲಿ we do not list the elements of the set and put them within the bracket. In this method, we all a set possesses a single common property. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಬರೀ we specify a single common property so that all the elements should satisfy this one. Okay, outside the set will not satisfy this property. Okay, andre illi all the elements of the set possesses that single common property, but which is not possessed by any element outside the set. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ in this case we do not put the elements within the flower bracket and separated by commas. Here we just specify the property, a common property, so that all the elements of the set satisfies this property, and the elements which is outside the set will not satisfy the property. Then ಹೆಂಗ್ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? It is the collection of all x. ಎರಡು ಚುಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, this is such that p of x, that means p of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ property on x. This is a property. Okay, property holds true. ಎರಡು ಚುಕ್ಕಿ ಇರೋದು such that ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Now look at here, it should be written like this. Flower bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬರೆದಾಗ this is x ಅಂದ್ರೆ set of all x ಅಂತ ಓದಬೇಕಿದೆ. ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ x such that ಅಲ್ಲ, set of all x, ಎರಡು ಚುಕ್ಕಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ, such that. This is such that, this is nothing but x ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, set of all x such that the property holds. ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, a ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಾಕ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಓದಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ a, capital A is the set of all x such that x is a vowel of English alphabet. So this is a property. ಯಾವುದು? x is a vowel of English alphabet is a, this is a p of x. So a is the set of all x such that x is a vowel of English alphabet. You should read the set A is read as set of all x such that x is a vowel of English alphabet. Okay, so or roster formal bariri anta ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ this is a set builder form, a e i o u. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ b ಅನ್ನೋ ಸೆಟ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. How do you read this? ಹೇಗೆ ಓದ್ತೀರಾ? b is the set of all x. ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಓದಬೇಕು? b is the, ಮುಂದೆ ಓದ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಮಾಮೂಲು, set of all x. ಎರಡು ಚುಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? such that x is a natural number and 2 less than x less than 4. ನೋಡಿ 2 3 4 ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 2 ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, 3 4 ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 3. ಸೊ b is 3. ಇಟ್ ಈ ಹೀಗೆ ಓದೋದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಇದು ಎರಡು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ, ಇದೇ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? 2 ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಭಾಗ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 2 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 4. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 2 ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇರೋ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು? 3. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಜ್ಞಾಪಟ್ಟು ಸಿ is the set of all, c is the set of all x such that x is an integer. c equals ಬರಿಬೇಕಿದೆ, ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದು ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. b is the set of all y such that y belongs to natural number and y square minus 1 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು y square minus 1 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ y square is 1, y is plus or minus 1. So y is plus 1 and minus 1, but it is given that y is a natural number, so it is only 1 should be written. Minus 1 bariba, because minus 1 does not belongs to n. So there are certain problems. Okay, which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. First set ಯಾವುದು ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಹೇಳಿ, justify your answer. If it is a set, why? The collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J. First one, look at here. The collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J. So clearly it is a set. Elements of the set are January and July. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. It is not a set. Why it is not a set? Now look at some of the problems here. Okay. Which of the following? First one, the collection of, okay. Second one, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. So it is not a set because there is no rule to decide whether a writer is a most talented or not. ಅಲ್ವಾ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಬ್ಬ ಬರಹಗಾರ ತುಂಬಾ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಹೌದು ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ತರದ ರೂಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದು ದ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 10 ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟೆಡ್ ರೈಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಸೆಟ್. ಓಕೆ, a team of 11 a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Here also it is not a set because here also there is no rule to decide whether a cricketer is a best batsman or not, is a best cricket batsman or not ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಯಾವುದೇ ತರದಿಲ್ಲ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ a cricketer who scored more than 10,000 runs in one day international or best cricket batsman ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ, so you can find the cricketer whose, if the score of the cricketer is more than 10,000, he is a best batsman. If it is less than 10,000, he is not a best cricket batsman. So in this case there is no condition given to decide whether a cricketer is a best cricket batsman or not. So it is not a set. The collection of all girls of your class. It is a set. Elements of the set are names of the girls of your class. Alva? The collection of all natural numbers less than 100. It is a set. So elements are 1, 2, 3, so on up to 100. If you are given minus 3, does not belongs to the set. 120 does not belong to the set. 10 belongs to the set. So that means if you are given an object, you can easily say it belongs to the collection or not. A collection of novels written by the writer S.L. Bhairappa. So it is a set. We can list the element here. Elements of the set, some of the elements of set are Grihabhanga, Yana, Matadana and so on. So these are all some of the elements of the set. So it is a set here. The collection of all even positive integers. It is a set. Elements are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. The collection of questions in this chapter. Again it is a set. The elements of the set are questions of the chapter. You can easily write the elements. A collection of most dangerous animals of the world. It is not a set again. Why? Because it is not given that a particular animal is dangerous or not, or there is no condition to decide whether an animal is dangerous or not. ಸಿಂಹ ಅದು ಡೇಂಜರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕಾಳಿಂಗ ಸರ್ಪ ಅದು ಡೇಂಜರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾವುದು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಂಜರಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ತರದ ರೂಲ್ ಅವರು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಸೆಟ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ರೂಲ್ given whether an animal is most dangerous or not. Therefore it is not a set. Okay.